Hey guys, I thought I'd have a demonstration of dynamic mill, and I figured might as well start from the beginning of the process. So we're gonna try to draw some geometry, and so I'm gonna draw a rectangle that's going to be come a solid for the demonstration. So to draw in rectangle, I go to the solid menu. I extrude the solid. Let's see, we'll chain the solid. And I'll roll my positioner. We'll go like 3 inches deep, negative 3.0. Enter, enter. So there's a solid block that we're going to then go back to the top view and draw a shape on top of, and we'll just make the first pocket another rectangle because I'm not really much for the CAD interface here. So let's draw a rectangle and then fillet edges. We'll give these, let me think, yeah, 1/4 inch radii is not bad for this. So this is going to become our first pocket. So we go back to solid menu. We're going to extrude a cut now. Cut body. And we're going to go negative, let's say, 0.5. And then on the same exact plane, we're going to make like another geometry. We'll make something a little weirder. And we'll fillet these entities, let me see, with a smaller radius, 0.1875. So we got all the corners, and we're going to go back to solids menu and chain that. Extrude cut this guy. And it's going to be 1.0. Okay, 1.0. Enter, enter. And then we'll take this solid and rededicate it to a level. And okay, one works, so we'll just create a second level for a stock model. We'll call it stock model. Go back to top. And on the stock model plane, we're going to draw another rectangle. And we're going to go to the solid menu, extrude, have to use the next. That may have actually made this tougher. I'm gonna make that invisible. Go ahead and extrude my original geometry. And we're going to create a body. I gotta get out of the menu because, okay, there we go. So I'll create the body. At negative 2.9 is fine. And the only problem is that that thing went to level 1. So I'm going to grab my, try to select my block here. On level 1. And we'll go and move that to level 2. Okay. Level. So that didn't seem to want to work, so I'll go to transform, translate, and move to level 2. So okay, so I've got a stock model creating solid, and I'm going to grab my machine. I'm going to grab a mill. And we'll go to stock setup and we'll just click a solid. And on the levels manager, let me see. Okay, I can see it. So we'll go to whichever of these tabs has stock model in it. Let's see, stock model. And we're going to grab a model from solid stock. And it has at this point no source operations. Let's call it stock model 1. And at this point we're ready to attempt the demo. But I'm going to put that in a second video because it's getting long.